Hey, Kyla, I got you a surprise.
What?
Come here. You see that right there? That's your microwave.
Yay!
That's the burnt one. You see it? That's the one that burnt the popcorn. Doesn't work anymore. Alright? But guess what?
What?
Come inside, I got you a surprise. Let's go.
I hear cats.
Yeah, I do too. Alright, go inside. Go. Go in there. To your backpack. Take your backpack. All right.
Who's there?
Look. Look what we got.
Who's there?
Kyla, look at your mommy.
Look over here.
What is it?
Booty dance, booty shake.
And guess what? And guess what?
Guess what?
Look, you see that little sticker right there?
Yeah.
What does that say? Oh, it's a smiley face. But that's the
Popcorn.
button for popcorn.
That's right, that's the one you push.
Yep.
I need.
You need to eat some?
Yeah.
What?
I'm a snack. Cooking.
You'll spin that, okay.
Okay, give Daddy a hug and say, thanks for my microwave, Dad.
Dad,
You
thanks.
welcome. We'll get you some popcorn right now. You can make it, all right?
Dad, I'm a snack.
Okay,
Cooking.
we'll call her and see. All right.